Everybody knows how to copy and paste. It can be done just with a few clicks of your mouse or pressing on some keys on your keyboard. It literally takes less than a second to complete. With copy pasting, there is a way that you can actually make piles of cash just by performing this action. But you didn't know that, huh? That is exactly what we're going to talk about in today's video. The beauty of copy pasting and how it can actually allow you to earn. The answer is quite simple. You don't need to pay a penny for this, it's absolutely free. Furthermore, you can access this method and make money no matter where you are in the world, and you can use any device that you have with you. Based on that alone, you can immediately say that this method is simply amazing, and because your task is simply to do some copy and pasting. There's no need for any technical skills or anything else. $800 is the total amount you will earn, so what do you say you want to get in on this method? Let's jump right into the primary website for today's video, Capterra.com. Capterra is one of the world's leading platforms that act as an intermediary between buyers and technology vendors, offering a wide range of services in the software industry. As they say, Capterra lets you discover suitable software for your business, where you can find good software, compare options, and read reviews. However, based on this, it is primarily aimed at business owners and entrepreneurs looking to purchase software for their businesses. Essentially, this platform provides a diverse range of reviews to assist business owners and entrepreneurs from all over the world. You are going to lend your opinion to write a review. Simply make something on your own, share your thoughts about a specific product, and then you can get paid just for writing what you think about certain software. On the upper left portion of the page, you will see this text that says software category. So I want you to click on that. You will then be redirected to this page where you can gain access to hundreds of categories incorporated right here on the platform. You'll focus on one category that interests you so that you can come up with good reviews and opinions on your own. But if you stick with me until the end of the video, I'll show you a little trick that has helped a lot of people gain money fast and easy. It's really simple and you only need to do some copying and pasting to make it happen, pretty much what I told you from the beginning. Now I want you to click on the text that says write a review on the upper right side of the page. You will then be taken to this page where you can browse a wide assortment of software to make a review. This page contains some of the most popular software that is frequently used by users from all over the world. Google Workspace, Microsoft SharePoint, Viber, WebEx, Zoom, Canvas, and many more softwares. You have all the freedom in the world to look for the perfect software product that you personally like, so feel free to scroll until you find the software that you are interested in. So I have a suggestion for you. On this page you can find Shopify right here, or you can use the search bar and type in the word Shopify. I want you to click on the Shopify software and it will lead you to this page where you can now officially begin writing a review. The first thing that you will have to enter will be all about your personal basic information. Then, when they ask you what your job title is, I want you to type freelancer, and then, for the organization name, simply type self-employed. Moving on to the next question, job industry. To make your life easier and to gain an advantage over other applicants, I strongly recommend that you choose computer software as the industry in which you will write reviews on software. Next, for the company size, I want you to select myself only, and for this question, how long have you used this software? I want you to select 6 to 12 months so that you have more credibility overall. Now we move on to the next question, which is simply asking how frequently you use Shopify, and I want you to select weekly. Moving on to the final question, simply tick the box. When you press the next button, another page appears where you will rate the overall quality, ease of use, features and functionality, customer support, value for money, and ease of development. I strongly advise you to give 4 to 5 stars out of all of these so that your review is positive. Then move on to the next sections, which include the pricing and how likely you are to recommend Shopify to a friend or colleague. Simply select mid-tier for the price, and for the second one, you can go as high as 10 and stay within the above neutral range. Finally, proceed to the last page, where you will now write your own review. Now, I want you to go back to the main home page, look up Shopify in the search bar and check the 4,000 plus reviews it has. Now I want you to copy-paste this reviews on Spinbot to paraphrase them and use these reviews to create your own on the review page right here. Start with the pros, which are mainly composed of advantages on the software, then the cons are the things that you didn't like about it, then proceed with the overall review where you were simply going to describe your overall experience with Shopify. Then proceed to this questions right here on the bottom. Just choose no for both, and then there's nothing left for you to do but to sit and hit that submit button below the entire page. And there you have it, success with Capterra, and that's it. With that said, you have gained an amazing method to earn loads of cash. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up.